car.
Alright, so we're at the car wash. Jude's freaking out.
We just got that car.
And there's the guy that vacuumed it right there.
He's gonna crash into the thing. Yeah, he's gonna crash. He's gonna crash. We're not even going on the thing.
What do you think, Jude?
We just got that car.
What do you mean?
Oh, not we just got it, but like
It's several months old.
7 months old.
Okay, there goes the vacuum.
Wait, there's nobody in it driving?
No, it's the little. You see those little things right there?
Oh.
Those little wheels in the bottom?
Yeah.
They push the car. Car's in neutral.
Cause car's in neutral.
Mm-hmm. When the car's in neutral, you push it.
What did he do?
It's all vacuuming, dude.
Vacuum. What are you gonna do now? Are you gonna turn the
That's
weekend?
creepy. Hey guys.
Hi.
Soon they're gonna get in it
Oh no, what?
and they're gonna start drying it.
Where are you driving?
Push it, open the door. What did you think? What do you think about that car experience? Car wash experience?
Thumbs up.
Just
give
one
it-
thumbs up or 2 thumbs up?
I give him 5 stars though. I don't know what that is.
So you can sit right here, you listen to the music, smoke your cigarettes,
Yeah.
and you get to watch them dry your car over there. Check it out! Wow! Guys, feet is separated. Jude, say bye. Like and subscribe.
Please.